oil. Cumin, black pepper. For chopped onions, to chopped tomato, some coriander and garlic leaves, 6 green chilies, 200-gram chopped mushroom, and 250-gram chopped potato. After adding cumin and black pepper, now add finely chopped onions to it. Now fry it till it becomes golden. Add green chilies, tomatoes, coriander leaves and garlic leaves and fry. Now add 2 teaspoons salt. Add 1 spoon turmeric powder and 1 spoon chili powder. Now add 1 teaspoon mixed veg spices powder. Then add 1 small bowl water. Fry it for 5 minutes. After that, add mushroom and potato in it. Now fry it for 15 minutes. Coriander and onion for garnish. Now add onion in it. Now add 2 bowl water in it. After 15 minutes, add coriander leaves. And now it's ready to eat.